In this video, I'll walk you through the main system settings on the Magimir homepage. First, let's go into the settings. Click the settings icon next to your profile in the top left corner. The first option is Effect Preview. Make sure this is turned on so you can see your edits and effects in real time. If it's off, you won't see any changes while editing. Next is the quality setting. 100 is the highest quality, and in most cases, you'll want to keep it at 100. At the bottom, you'll find the language option. Just choose the system language you prefer. Under System Settings, there's also Software Updates. Whenever there's a new version, you'll see a small blue dot next to it. Make sure to update regularly, since new features and improvements are added over time. The third option is Log Report. If you run into any issues, you can click here to report them, and the Magimir technical team will take care of it. The fourth option is Redeem Benefits. This is where you enter your activation code to unlock unlimited exports. In the next video, I'll show you how to import your images and start editing.